Hey everyone, Island Farmer here, and I want to get right into it, but before I do, I want to mention that I am going to be going on a road trip soon, in a few days, to the other side of the country, but it shouldn't be too big of a problem as far as the videos go. I'm going to take my camera with me and there's internet everywhere, so for the most part it'll just be a change of scenery for you guys. Kick the camera. So I'm gonna be finishing up a video log of a couple random things. I'm gonna dig up that papaya tree that's in the garden here before it gets too big. I don't want to leave that here. It'll be 10 foot tall by the time I get back. There's a couple other things I need to do and a couple other little videos I've already recorded that I'll throw in here. So let's get to it. This is that papaya that I need to dig up. Came up wild right there, and I could just kill it, but they sell for like 20 bucks at the nursery around here. So I probably put it in a pot and sell it for like 10 in my driveway. You always want to soak your transplants, any kind of fresh transplant or planting. Not so much because they need water, but it gets all the air pockets out that are down here. And you don't want an air pocket on the roots because that's where bacteria and other stuff, fungus and stuff can grow. And if that gets on the roots, it could kill the plant. So I always soak them, like soak. Especially in a pot. I mean, pots are very good drainage, so try to see all that air coming out of there. So this is pretty cool. I knew this was going to happen soon. We didn't get rain today, which is unusual, but I turned the sprinklers on and came out here, and oh my god, this thing is pretty big. That is a big flower right there. That is amazing. I just had it in this little pot right there. That is something else. I really can't believe that right now. Looks like it's got a male and female. So I wanted to show you, this is a little less than 24 hours later. These don't last very long. One night. It was already wilting this morning pretty much. But dragon fruit, you get one day of a pretty bloom. But all that means is I'm going to start getting a dragon fruit growing from like back here, I think. Maybe right there. So one of the reasoning behind cutting down all these palm trees and ripping up all these trees and planting all this new stuff was I wanted to have every single thing in my yard produce food, or at least like, you know, like herbs or like flowers to attract pollinators, you know, help out in some sort of a way. That palm tree doesn't do anything but cause me a lot of headaches and a lot of time and maintaining, cutting down all the palm fronds, and it drops all these little berries and stuff that are unedible, and they make a huge mess. And there's actually like a mound over there from like, I guess it dropping stuff over the years. Alright, so this is the palm tree we're going to be cutting down. And here we'll tilt up a little bit. So like, I mean, use your common sense. Like, where is it? Right about there. Hit my car. Probably hit the mailbox, but everything else is pretty good. Wide open around here. So I'm probably going to move my car. My neighbor said I could park it in her driveway over there. I could hit my palm tree there, or the mailbox after I move that, but I'm going to show you how to make it fall where you want to. Pretty much the only thing you really got to take into account is you know, the wind, which you can see which way the wind's blowing. It's not blowing very much. Let's move that car first. Alright, so since I can't narrate as I'm doing this, I guess I'll give you a quick little explanation. I'm going to notch this side kind of low because I want it to fall this way. Notch it kind of low, and then you come in from this side at an angle. But don't cut all the way through, because then the thing could slide off, which wouldn't be a problem here, but if it slides off it could fall any direction. You want to leave a little bit uncut, that way it has no choice but to bend over and fall in the direction you want it to. Alright, that's all for now. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Really helps out the channel. And stay tuned.